Swami, my name is Arvind. Is it possible to understand and practice Bhakti Yoga in non-theistic terms? Because I've been struggling with this recently. Like, even if I conceptualize ultimate reality, because there's appearances, and I conceptualize it as Buddha nature, I'm not sure how one is devoted to Buddha nature.
Are you coming from a Tibetan Buddhist or a Mahayana background?
My primary practice is mindfulness in the Zen tradition.
So that's the problem then, because in certain Mahayana traditions, there is Bhakti Yoga very openly. There is devotional practices, because there are deities. If not God with a capital G, there are helpful deities. Avalokiteshvara, Tara. These are deities in Tibetan Buddhism, and an attitude of devotion is cultivated very clearly. So that's as much Bhakti Yoga as what we do in Hinduism or in the other theistic religions. In Zen Buddhism, God or the deities are not introduced. So the emotions would be just one more thing that you are aware of. You would have to ask your sensei or your Roshi, what do you do with emotions? Can bhakti be practiced? Because what would be the object of bhakti then?
Yeah, I mean, the closest that I could get to it was like reverence for nature, reverence for life, something like that.
Yes, a reverence for the Buddha. Reverence for the Buddha. That is cultivated in the Theravada schools. Yes.